Ah, rah, rah, rah. It's Duck Woman. Hello, Miss. Yeah, rah, rah, rah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Did you just get out of bath? Did you just get out of the bath? Miss Duck Woman, Miss Duck Woman. Are you trying to sit or stand? Are you standing? You lost your cape. Who is that? Look at Mommy. You are so funny. You got a runny nose. Your hair's all wet from your bath. You are so cute. Are you excited for Thanksgiving tomorrow? Yeah? Ooh, so many words. All right. Happy first Thanksgiving. All right. Bye, sweetie pie.